watching this video right now, there's a high chance that you want to start up a YouTube channel, or you're scared. You're scared of getting low views. You're scared of wasting your time, and at the end of the day, nothing will come out of it. You're scared of failing publicly. And let me tell you something most people won't tell you. Those fears are valid. A lot of people have walked that path. A lot of people have walked that way before. And they've seen those fears and they've told themselves that I will conquer this fear. But what's not valid is letting fear stop you from building something that could change your life in the nearest future. Thank you very much for staying on to this moment. This is my first video on this channel. So on this channel, I want us to grow. We're gonna grow together. When you expect me today, you welcome back to my channel. No, this is actually my first video. So on this channel, I want us to grow in 2026. Let's grow together. So I want us to kick back those fears that you've kept in you to, like, oh, I might not succeed in this channel, or I might not succeed in 2026. My darling, you will definitely succeed in anything that you put your mind to. So in this video, I want to show you how to start a YouTube channel in 2026. Even if you have a zero knowledge, zero subscribers, or a zero idea of how to begin a YouTube content. This video is a complete beginner friendly for those that are about to start, or those that have started that are less than 1,000 subscribers, or those that are stuck, that have not been monetized. You haven't gotten to that point where you feel like, oh, I am there yet. Those are the people that this video are for. So if you are in that category, let's dive into this content and let's see how we're gonna grow together. This video are for people who already tried YouTube and failed. Small creators stuck under 1,000 subscribers, who using just phone to shoot their content, just like I am doing now. But can you actually tell that I'm using a phone? Can't you see the glue? And I'm not using a light. It is natural light. That's what I'm using. So if that sounds like you, you're welcome to this channel. Let's vibe together. I'm not here to sell your dream. I'm here to give you real YouTube strategy that actually work for small creators like you and me. You're starting YouTube with 0 subscribers or less than 1,000 subscribers, and you're starting to copy big YouTubers, people that have grown, people that a lot of persons know. So most YouTube channels failed not because the creator is bad, it's because they started YouTube the wrong way. You start YouTube and you're chasing trends, you're trying to copy big creators, or you're focusing on having subscribers instead of having the views. So focusing on these things I just listed won't take you anywhere. It will not help you to grow. You're starting a YouTube channel, your main focus should be, how am I going to create this channel so it can actually grow? How am I going to get a community? Having a YouTube channel is creating a community. That should be your main focus. How am I going to create a community? If you have a community, whenever you upload videos, you're going to get a lot of views. From that views you're getting, subscribers are going to come. That's how you start up a YouTube channel. Look at what people are doing. If you have people in your niche, study their videos, see what they are doing right. Don't copy people. Do your own thing and see how it's going to work for you. Study what they do and see how it works right, and do your own thing, your own self. YouTube does not reward effort, it rewards viewer satisfaction. How? You're making a video and from the beginning people start to watch, and the next thing, before 3 seconds you just swipe. No, that's not viewer satisfaction. For instance, you make a 10-minute videos and some viewers are able to watch up to 9 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes. That's viewer satisfaction. Or even when they are able to watch the video completely, that's viewer satisfaction. So those are your main focus. When people watches your video and they are able to get a knowledge out of it, they will always want to subscribe. So your main focus on starting a YouTube channel in 2026 should be, how am I going to build this channel? How am I going to create content that will keep people engaged, focused to watch your videos completely? When people watch your videos completely, the algorithm will definitely favor you. Your video don't make someone to click, watch, stay and watch them completely. YouTube will have no reason to promote that video. When you make a video, for instance, you have subscribers already, they first share your videos with non-subscribers. So when they send your video to them and they don't stick to watch, YouTube, they are already like, oh, this video is actually not nice. Keep it aside. This is how it works. So your main focus in this 2026 is to tell yourself, I'm going to create a content. I'm going to create engaging content that will keep viewers focused on my channel. Give them the reason to want to stay back, or when they see your video, when they see the thumbnail, they want to click, they want to watch, they see your title, they want to click and watch. And while they are watching, they get the exact reason they stopped to watch your content. Mistake YouTubers make is choosing a niche based on passion. Passion is good, passion is important, but clarity is more important. A good niche answers 3 questions. Number 1, what the video is for. Number 2, what problem that video will solve for that viewer that is watching it. Number 3, why should someone listen to you? Those are the important things you have to consider before making a video. For example, general lifestyle is weak. You're cooking today, you're cleaning tomorrow, you're babysitting the next day, you're doing different things, you're doing general lifestyle is weak. But YouTube growth, for instance, you're starting a YouTube channel and you are in, okay, this is my niche, you want to cook. Let them know you for cooking. Let them know you for creating content that has to do with food. That is a niche that you have covered for yourself. And the next other one, you want to start up a YouTube growth channel, you want to teach people how to grow their YouTube channel. That's another good niche for you to start. Or you are in tech, that's another niche for you to cover for yourself. And when you're doing that, you are focusing on that particular thing, not juggling, doing everything at the same time. YouTube does not reward that. Your channel setup will make you go viral. If you like, arrange your channel in a certain way, it will make you go viral. But a bad setup will slow your growth down. Your main focus should be a clear channel name, something that anybody can see and be like, oh, this is this person. Yes. Simple description on your channel. A very simple thing describing what the channel is meant for. Your profile picture should be on your profile. When people see you, they'll be able to recognize, oh, this is this person, this is the owner of this channel. And the last one is a clear banner. Whatever banner that you want to have, it should be clear, written there for everybody to see that, okay, this is what this channel is meant for. Stop over designing your channel banners. Stop over designing. Clarity beats aesthetics all the time. The first 90 days is not for you to blow up. The first 90 days is teaching YouTube who your videos are meant for, who your audience are, learning what people respond to. You create content, you go through your comment section to understand what people respond to. Then it will help you to be able to create your next content. Building your confidence on camera. Some persons will be like, oh, I cannot stand the camera. The more you are doing it, the more you're talking to your camera. Talk to your camera like you're talking to your friends. You're having a discussion with your friends. That's how you start content creation. And from there, you will be the master of it. Post one long form video per week. You can decide to say, oh, I want to post one long form video per week. That's okay. So if you start telling yourself, oh, I just started a YouTube channel, let me post every day, you're gonna burn yourself out. Starting it in the first instance, you feel like, oh, let me just do this thing. Before 1 week, my video will blow up. No, that's not how you create content. When you create quality content, that quality content that you created will beat someone that makes hundreds of videos without quality. So quality beats quantity. Each video should answer one clear question. This is how small creators grow. Let me be very honest with you. Long form content is where the money is. Ask me why. When you create long form content, you have more watch time hour when people watch your video. When you create long form content, when you get monetized, that is when it attracts mid-roll act. When you create content that are more than 3 minutes while watching it, even when you're watching other people's videos, you see that you watch an ad while you're watching a video. That's called a mid-roll ad. So that's where YouTubers make most of their money from. Long form content, it creates room for a higher RPM. When you also create long form content, it brings stronger trust. When people keep coming to watch you, they sit down to watch you and they know that you are actually impacting them and giving them knowledge, and you are always giving them something to stay back to watch about. They will always want to come back to your video because you impact knowledge and you're teaching them something. And when they know that every video you make will definitely make them want to come back, they will learn one particular thing from those videos. They will always want to come back to watch your videos. So by doing that, you have already created trust. You have built a community for yourself. When you create long form content, that's where the big money is. Short brings subscribers, short bring attention, but long form content, that's where the money is. Trust me. When you do this, you're not gonna regret at all. YouTube is not luck. YouTube is not magic. It's actually a skill that you have to sit down, study it, and master every activities that goes on inside of it. And skills actually take time. You don't just wake up and you want to learn a skill. For instance, you want to learn how to make hair. You're going to, by that same day, you have mastered it. No, it takes gradual process. So the more you're doing it, the more you are becoming a master of it. Your first video won't be perfect. That is okay. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90 people. Comment start if you are beginning YouTube this year. Subscribe if you want honest YouTube growth and advice for beginners. No hype, no lies, just the truth and how we're going to grow together. In my next video, I will show you why your video gets no views and how to fix this. See you on my next one.